We taught you how to make avocado oil, avocado mask, avocado leaf tea, and even how to choose the best avocado at the supermarket. Have you watched any of these videos? Today, you will learn about the benefits of this incredible fruit. Seen in the past as a villain of our diets, today avocado is a hero. Source of good fats and calories, this fruit acts as a natural medicine in our bodies. The benefits of avocados go from protecting us against some types of cancer to lending shine to the hair. But although it offers all these benefits, avocados should still be eaten in moderation. You can eat a moderate amount of avocado without any guilt and enjoy all the nutritional advantages of this food. See 7 benefits of eating avocados. Helps with weight loss and prevents constipation. As you have seen in the title, avocado helps with weight loss because it is rich in fiber that makes us feel satiated. It causes a natural reduction of appetite and thus a natural weight loss. But you have to be careful. When eaten in excess, avocado actually makes you gain weight since it has a lot of fat and calories. Contributes to a beautiful and moisturized skin. Avocado helps prevent stretch marks, wrinkles, and cellulite because of its vitamin C, which helps in the metabolism of collagen, the substance that gives the skin its firmness. Also, avocado has antioxidants that help protect and prevent the aging of skin cells. That makes our skin more elastic and with a younger and healthier appearance. Keeps the muscles strong. When eaten before physical activities, avocado helps with muscle hypertrophy, since it gives enough energy for the workout and contains proteins that help with muscle recovery. Avocado is also good to avoid muscle fatigue, as it fights the free radicals that come with intense workouts and that cause pain and the aging of cells. Prevents heart diseases and cancer. Thanks to the monounsaturated fatty acids and soluble fibers, avocado aids in the control and prevention of heart diseases. It controls the LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and increases the HDL cholesterol levels, good cholesterol, as well as reducing the triglycerides levels. Also, because it is one of the best sources of glutathione, avocado offers protection against oral and throat cancer. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Improves shine and moisturizes the hair. Rich in fats and vitamins, avocado increases hair hydration and makes it shinier and softer. Aids the memory and brain health. The omega-3 found in avocados improves brain function by stimulating blood circulation and also increases concentration, which in turn contributes to better memory. Good for pregnant women. Avocado is important in the prevention of congenital diseases, such as issues in the nervous system and spina bifida, the incomplete closing of the fetus's spine. Pregnant women, or women who are planning a pregnancy, should consume avocado before getting pregnant and during the first trimester of pregnancy. How to eat it? Avocado is very versatile and can be used in savory and sweet recipes. An easy way of eating avocados is mashing the fruit with some sugar and lemon, or adding it to a smoothie with some milk and sugar. From Mexican cuisine comes avocado's probably most famous version, guacamole, an avocado puree seasoned with lemon, salt, and olive oil and eaten with nachos. You can add the fruit to salads and toast. If you like cooking, you can try making an avocado mayonnaise. How do you eat avocados? Share your favorite avocado recipes with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.